Hi everyone, welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. In today's episode, I'm showing you how I make these Hennessy wings. First and foremost, all of my ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. So I'm starting with brown sugar. I'm also going to start with some soy sauce as well as dark soy sauce. Here I'm creating my Hennessy wing sauce. Now this recipe is super easy and quick. For this recipe, I will be air frying my wings, but you are more than welcome to fry your wings or bake and roast your wings. So like I said, this is the sauce for the Hennessy wings. I have brown sugar, soy sauce. I'm going in with honey, as well as some other additional ingredients I will be adding. Like I said, everything will be listed down below in the description box. So next I'm going in with some fresh garlic. This is about 2 garlic cloves. Next, I'm adding in water as well as that Hennessy. Oh, it's very strong, so you only need about literally a shot of Hennessy. Give that a quick mix, and we're going to boil that on a stove on a medium heat until it comes to a boil. Next, I have my chicken here. I will season it up a little bit just to give it some more flavor. So I am adding in the basic seasonings, all-purpose seasoning, a little pinch of sazon, as well as cornstarch. Now, cornstarch is the key to me when I'm air frying my wings. Even sometimes when I'm frying them, it just brings more of a crispier taste and texture to your wings. So I'm going to give that a really good toss. I will be air frying my wings on 380 for 20 minutes, and then I will go back and air fry it on 400 for 10 minutes just to get it a little bit more crispier to my liking. Be sure to spray your air fryer with avocado oil. Also, make sure you space out your wings. So give it a quick spray with the olive oil or avocado oil, and then halfway through go ahead and flip it. As you can see, they're starting to get golden brown. Like I said, once the 20 minutes is up on 380, I will go ahead and push my temperature up to 400 and air fry them for 10 minutes to get it a little bit more crispier to my liking. Now here I'm making my cornstarch slurry. This will help thicken up your sauce very well. So I'm just adding in the cornstarch as well as some cold water, and I'm going to give that a quick mix. As you can see, my sauce is coming to a boil. You want to go ahead and cook off that Hennessy slightly. So I boiled it for about 5 minutes before putting in the cornstarch slurry. Now when putting in the cornstarch slurry, just keep an eye on your sauce so it doesn't boil over. It will thicken up very, very fast, so it's good to use it as it thickens up. So I'm going to whisk that in and let it cook off for about 2 to 3 more minutes, and then take it off the heat to let it thicken up. So as you can see, it's starting to thicken up very well. Go ahead and cut off your stove and take it off the heat. Now my chicken wings came out very good and crispy. As you can see, you can tell by the texture and the color of them, they're pretty golden brown. Now I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle that sauce all over the chicken, and this is pretty much a quick, easy appetizer recipe. Now I'm going to give that a really good toss and enjoy. Enjoy while they're hot as well. So if you decide to make this quick and easy Hennessy wing recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisine Story. Also, if you enjoyed this quick tutorial, be sure to give me a like, comment any other recipes or topics you'd like to see from this channel, and subscribe if you aren't a part of the lifestyle already.